Hey guys, so it's me today, Rainbow Shoot Flower. So I am going to be reading The Mystery Dog, Part 3. Here we go, Mom. It's not us. Don't open the door. Okay, Mom's saying call 911. Julie, Mom, there's a man outside. Oh no, that's not good. I'm just like breathing like, why is she... Okay, so the last episode, why would she... So if you hear somebody knocking, do not open the door. Don't be stupid. I mean, it's common sense. Listen to parents these days. They understand. Okay, Mom, there's a man outside. His face is wrinkly. Maybe he's a mass murderer. Maybe he's just wearing a mask to think he's wrinkly or something. I don't know. Maybe he's Jeff the Killer. I don't know. What is it? He's wearing a dark, ripped clothes. That doesn't make any sense. But okay. It looks like there was worms in his teeth. Huh? Just like I'm saying. I think he's just wearing a mask. I don't know. But worms in his teeth? That just sounds disgusting to me. Okay, Julie. And bugs in his hair. Okay. Okay, Mom says don't open the door. That's what my mom says. Do not open the door or you're gonna get around it. So, he's holding something up. I can't read it. I can't read it. Maybe he needs help. Stop. OMG, he's just putting it closer. It's a piece of paper. It says, I know you have my daughter. I'm so confused. I heard something upstairs. I am running back up. I'm locking the door. I think I'm going to lose Mom. Wait, I think I'm going to lose him, Mom. I'm going back in my room. She's just sitting there, brushing my Barbie doll's hair. Julie's replying. She keeps saying, I'm next. I'm next? Better go somewhere else, girl. Jeez, we don't want you here. OMG. Mom? What, are you okay? Get out of there. He's in my room. The police are coming on their way. Lock the door. He's holding another dog. He's holding another dog's empty coppers, whatever that is. Okay. It smells bad, Mom. A corpse. Okay, corpse. Okay. I was like, coppers. Please don't read for that again. I don't want. Okay, anyways. Julie, run. He's saying something. He says, did your parents even touch you? How to welcome your guest? Mom, he's walking towards me with a dog corpse. Ugh. I'll just run out of the house. He keeps saying, you're next. Ah! Mom! Help! Okay, guys, that is it for the day. That is kind of scary. But this is part 3, guys. So if you enjoy that, you can actually download this on your playlist and all that. So, bye.